Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video. In this one I'm going to be doing a comparison on these two powders here. They are both from Makeup Revolution. This one is in the shade Banana and this one in the shade Banana Deep. So the Banana is the one that I have been using. You guys have seen me use this one already, and Banana Deep is new for me. I just picked up last week. So in today's video I'm going to compare the two side by side to see which one suits better for my skin complexion. So if you guys are interested, then of course keep on watching. I have already applied foundation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply concealer under my eyes, and the one I'm using is from Maybelline in the shade number 40, which is Fit Me. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the powder. So on this side here I'm going to apply the Banana Dip, and on this side I'm going to apply the Banana, and then we're gonna compare them after that. So let's go ahead and do that. So this side is Banana Dip. So looking at this, straight away I can tell this one is a little bit more, definitely more yellow compared to the Banana, because I have used the Banana. I already know how the Banana, looks like on my skin. So this is how the Banana Dip looks like. You can see it's a little bit more deeper already, but I'm going to turn the sponge to the other side, and of course use the Banana on this side. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm trying to apply the same amount if I can. So here is how they look side by side. You can definitely tell that the Banana Dip is a little bit more yellow compared to the Banana, just looking at this. So I'm going to let them sit just a little bit, and then I'll dust them off to see how the under eyes looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the powder so we can get to see what's happening under there. And I do have two different brushes over here, so I'm going to use this one on this side and this one on this side, so we don't get to mix the powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Banana Dip, because that's the one we applied first. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust this one off. Just see how this looks like. Okay, just moving it a little bit here. So here is how the Banana Dip side looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a different brush and dust off the Banana side. Looking at this, I can already tell that the Banana Dip side looks more settled. It's more like, it's kind of suits my skin better compared to the Banana side. The Banana side is a little bit more kind of bright. Definitely, you can tell the difference over there. So if I were to pick which one I prefer between the two, I would definitely go for the Banana Dip, because I think it kind of complements my my skin tone a little bit better than the Banana. I mean, I'm not mad at the Banana, I still use it, but I think between the two I definitely prefer the Banana Dip more, because it just makes my it doesn't look too bright and too ashy, kind of, just looks nice and beautiful under there. And yeah, I think probably with the Banana, you could always maybe put just a little bit instead of like putting so much. Just put a little bit, and so therefore you don't get that kind of like white cast at the end. But definitely I'm digging the Banana Dip more, that is for sure. I can already tell the difference between two sides. So yeah, definitely I'm in for the Banana Dip. Yeah. Alright you guys, let me know in the comment section below which side do you prefer the best. This side, which is the Banana Dip, or this side, which is the Banana. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face using the Banana Dip. Why not? Because I put so much here and I don't want to waste it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set everywhere. why not? You know, it's good for me. I do have oily skin, so if I can use this one just to set it everywhere, that is good. Alright you guys, like I already said, let me know in the comment section below which side do you prefer better, the banana dip or the banana. And also I really want to know which one do you actually use. Do you use the banana dip or do you use the banana? So yeah, this is pretty much the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, join the family. Also do turn on your notification bell so you're notified for a new video. I do upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you then. Thanks so much. Take care and bye for now.